Hello, visionaries. Welcome to Vision Training Institute. My name is Patience Edramada. So let's move right along because in today's micro training, we're going to be talking about reclaiming your time, not with more hustle, but with more intention. We're diving into the power of rituals. They're just not just routines, they're symbolic, energizing actions that help you shift gears and show you how you can do this with purpose. So, if you're ready, I'm going to ask that you join me so that we can explore how to use rituals to maximize your time and momentum. Starting off, I'd like to ask you, and if you have the answer to this, write it down. What is a ritual? Write down your definition of a ritual. It's good for you because that way you're going to see if it actually matches it with what I'm saying. But I'm going to start off by clarifying something. Rituals are not the same as habits. Habits are automatic. Rituals are intentional. Yes, they're intentional. They're emotionally charged actions that signal to your brain it's time to focus. Can you imagine that? That is so cool. Whether it could be maybe lighting a candle for you to take a shower, or just saying an affirmation before you have your meeting. Rituals help you move from distraction to direction. I just love that. From distraction to direction. Here's why rituals are game changers. They reduce decision fatigue. Yes, they do. You do not waste energy wondering what to do next. Once you know your ritual, you don't waste any energy knowing what to do next because you already know what you're going to do. They create psychological momentum. And once you start, your brain follows. Isn't that so awesome? And they help you transition from a task to a task to another task to another task with a lot of clarity. This is my favorite part of this whole thing, that rituals are not time consuming, they're time activating. They're not time consuming at all. So you know that you have something to do and you have that ritual. You just done taking a bath, you know, it's not going to be wear you out because it's not time consuming. It's time activating. So let's look at some examples. These are simple, powerful rituals you can build into your day. And they're very, very good. I use them. A morning activation ritual sets your tone. Yes, it could be just waking up and stretching, affirming something, active. And the purpose of this, it will activate clarity and intention. A pre work ritual signals deep focus. Yes, deep focus. How does that work? You could maybe light a candle, focus. You have music if it's a weekend, that is, if you're not working. And this helps you signal deep work mode. It takes you to that place where you want to be. A transition ritual helps you reset between tasks. That's always very helpful, especially if you're taking a break away from work just for maybe 30 minutes, 20 minutes. And the shutdown ritual lets you close the day with intention. These are not just actions, they're actually anchors. So if I were you, I'd go ahead and try them. Now it's your turn and my turn too. Let's think of one moment in this day or in your day that feels chaotic and unfocused. Think of it. Got it? Now, what I need you to do is to design a 60-second ritual to anchor that moment. Maybe it's a breath, just take a deep breath. Maybe a stretch. Maybe a visual cue. I don't know what yours is, but go ahead and think about it. Think about it. Now, what I need you to do now is to write it down, name it, call it whatever you want to call it, and then own it. This is your new time. Maximizing ritual makes it yours. Your ritual is your reset. What you're doing as your ritual is definitely your reset. So let's go to our final takeaway. First, rituals are not just something that you just do. Rituals are your secret weapon. They help you design your day instead of drifting through it. Oh, yes. So, what I say to you is start small and stay consistent. And remember, when you ritualize your transitions, you revolutionize your results. Totally love that. We all want to revolutionize our results. So, let's build a life that's intentional, energized, and anchored in excellence. I just want to thank you for being a part of this micro training today. Once again, this is Vision Training Institute. My name is Patience Edremoda, and I'm the CEO of Vision Training Institute. Thank you for joining me. I really enjoyed having you here today. And don't just go away without taking down this information. I want you to contact us. There's our email address, both email addresses. Either of them will get back with you. And then our phone number. Let us know if you want to take the entire class. It's a time management training, and we'll be very, very excited to work with you. Give us a call or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.